The James Webb Telescope has surprised scientists around the world with its new discovery in an area of space that has never been studied before. This is not a star, galaxy, or black hole. This is different, say scientists. We have never seen anything like this before. Maybe this discovery will reveal missing pieces of our current theories. After the James Webb Telescope was launched, exploring space got even more exciting. This remarkable instrument has revolutionized our perspective of the cosmos, revealing phenomena that challenge our existing theories and principles of physics. But it doesn't stop there. The James Webb Telescope discovers something extraordinary in space. Scientists were surprised by this new type of object discovered by the James Webb Telescope. No one knows for certain what it is. The exact nature of this discovery remains a mystery, leading to the formulation of numerous hypotheses. One particularly noteworthy hypothesis has garnered significant attention. Some scientists say that it could be extreme gravity portals or wormhole-like things that have never been seen before.
Pretend you're talking to a 5-year-old and explain to me, what is a wormhole and why is this so important?
Thank you for having me. I love talking to you as well. So it's all about space and time and our understanding of it. So Albert Einstein and his pal Rosen showed us that if I have 2 points in space, say from here to here, and I want to travel from one to other, I have to go this entire distance. But the thing that Albert Einstein taught us is that space is like a malleable fabric, right? And so if you can bend it under the right conditions, then traveling from here to here means I don't have to go as far, and I can go through a little hole and go, boom, I made it. I'm there, right? And that's what we see in our science fiction.
But whatever this thing is, it makes perfectly clear that the rules we use to understand the universe aren't quite as solid as we expected. Crafted by NASA, the James Webb Telescope stands as the most potent observatory to date, enabling unparalleled insights into the universe. The James Webb Telescope recently released some of the latest images, with astronomers around the world closely examining these images. Well, they found some distant galaxies and black holes which are already a matter of debate in the field of astronomy. But when they used some filters, they encountered something unexpected that had never been seen before. Initial observations of the portal-like object have left scientists intrigued by its distinctive properties. While it bears a resemblance to a traditional black hole due to its apparent gravitational pull, it deviates from the expected behavior in several key ways. Unlike conventional black holes, which are characterized by their voracious appetite for matter, this newly discovered object appears to emit unusual radiation patterns that do not conform to existing astrophysical models. Some scientists believe that this thing may be a new type of object formed from the same mechanism that creates black holes. The strange properties of black holes are still a mystery to us, and the existence of other such objects in the universe cannot be ruled out. Black holes are enigmatic cosmic phenomena that result from the collapse of massive stars. When a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer counteract the inward force of gravity. The star's core collapses under its own immense gravitational pressure, causing an explosion known as a supernova. During the initial stages of studying black holes, prior to even coining that term, scientists were uncertain about the actual existence of these peculiar entities. It was possible that they were a result of the intricate mathematical concepts within the early phases of the general theory of relativity, a framework for understanding gravity. However, as time progressed, a growing body of evidence has indicated the undeniable reality of black holes, with some even being present within our own galaxy. By the way, general relativity also predicted the existence of another strange object called a wormhole. Einstein and Rosen discovered that, theoretically at least, a black hole's surface might work as a bridge that connected to a second patch of space. The journey might be as if you went down the drain of your bathtub, and instead of getting stuck in the pipes, you came out into another tub just like the first. And a new discovery by the Webb telescope may make this prediction come true. If this object is a wormhole, how was it formed? Nabil Iqbal, a physicist at Durham University in England, says special disturbances within the magnetic field surrounding a black hole could, in theory, generate stable wormholes. Unfortunately, the effect still only forms microscopic wormholes, and Iqbal says it is highly unlikely the situation would occur in reality. Other scientists say that an exotic matter with positive energy density and negative pressure could create a repulsive effect which could keep the wormhole throat open, but such exotic substances usually violate the energy conditions. So how did this strange object come to be? Well, in a new theory, scientists claim that traversable wormholes can form in the outer halos of galaxies. Given the ubiquity of dark matter halos and galaxies, it is important to consider the formation of traversable wormholes in dark matter, halos and galaxies. According to the standard cosmological model and recent observational results, our universe is composed of approximately 4% nuclear matter, 29.6% dark matter, and 67.4% dark energy. At the galactic scale, dark matter plays an important role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. It is therefore possible that wormholes can form in dark matter halos under isotropic pressure conditions. And astronomers said that if they find a halo of dark matter around this object, this theory will confirm the exact nature of this strange object. It could be the game-changing discovery that the entire science community has been waiting for decades. Several other speculative theories have emerged to explain the formation of this celestial anomaly. Some researchers propose that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations might have engineered this structure, utilizing advanced technology beyond our current comprehension. Others posit the existence of cosmic processes or phenomena that are currently beyond the grasp of our scientific knowledge.
It does seem to be within the known laws of physics. But other than that, we physicists have a hard time getting our heads around the fact that if these things really are extraterrestrial, this means they can sweep across the galaxy in a blink of an eye. We can't do that.
So let's say that's true. When it comes to time travel, or you study string theory, is there a possibility that they may be that we as three-dimensional beings that can kind of perceive this fourth dimension may not be able to see everything around us?
Well, Stephen Hawking, the cosmologist, before he passed away, said that wormholes may take us faster than the speed of light as far as space is concerned. Time travel, he was a little bit more skeptical about because of the fact that if you go backwards in time and do it repeatedly, you would create a loop and you would create enough energy to blow the whole thing apart and your time machine would explode.
Currently, the observations made by the Webb telescope have introduced an element of mystery. Further scrutiny is required to validate the true nature of this enigmatic object. It is conceivable that it might turn out to be a wormhole or an entirely novel phenomenon that eludes our existing knowledge. The insights garnered from the James Webb telescope are actively reshaping our comprehension of the cosmos. The sheer vastness of the universe is staggering, often surpassing the limits of our imagination. Many enigmas persist, surpassing the boundaries of our current understanding in physics. Yet, our unyielding curiosity remains the driving force propelling us to unravel these puzzles and uncover the answers to our inquiries.